Hi, I'm Trevor W. Goodchild, and I've worked at Facebook, and today I'm going to be talking about how to fix a Facebook ad account restricted. We're in the middle of an AI boom. Everywhere you look, it's AI this, AI that. Well, Facebook also is integrating AI into their flagging systems, even more so in 2026. And why should you listen to me? Well, if you Google Trevor W. Goodchild, you'll see that I'm pretty well established. I've worked at Apple, Microsoft, and Facebook. I know what I'm talking about, and I've helped a lot of people. Meta has gone from using some automation to being almost fully automated and using AI to determine if your ads will distribute as well as if they'll be approved. They call it simplifying ad measurement for a social first world. Well, the reality is they're taking away the 28-day attribution window and basically saying that the only sales that count are those that are directly in the click through from the link to the thank you page right after the sales page or whatnot, or opt-in. So yeah, they're kind of screwing with everybody right now. But let's talk about what it means to be restricted, because there are many ways you can get a Facebook ad account restricted. I think people underestimate what it means to get restricted on Facebook, because you can have your Facebook business manager restricted and your ad account just fine. You can have your Facebook business page restricted and you can have your business manager just fine, but the page is restricted. Or you can even have your ad accounts restricted and your page is fine and your profile is fine, everything else is good. So there's so many different ways of getting restricted. Here's another way. You may not know this, but another way of getting restricted is once Facebook has you on the radar, they can artificially inflate your cost per click for your CPC and decrease your click-through rate for your CTR just because they don't view you as completely compliant without fully banning you. They just make it harder for you to advertise. This is a level of restriction. People do not understand what it means to be restricted. There's so many different ways this can happen. Now, someone I respect, John Loomer, recently started talking about AI shutdowns. So, what is an AI-related ad account shutdown? Well, as John Loomer recently wrote, basically, if meta ads aren't connecting well to the third party, whether it's a Claude or it's AI agents of some sort that they've linked to the ad account, sometimes this triggers Meta to flag you and shut you down. Now, the thing is that while John published this recently, a few days ago, the reality is I've seen this happen when anybody tries to link any kind of third-party app to the API. I saw this happen working at Facebook when people would link AdEspresso or other third-party Hootsuite applications. A lot of the time, it would work just fine. But there are occasions when Meta's AI itself doesn't like to see any third-party apps attached to the API, and it will automatically view that as suspicious, flag you, ban you, and everything else. What I can tell you from working inside Facebook with the engineers who created the code that is determining if you're, going to get flagged or not, this is basically what I figured out from working inside Facebook, is that they just allow you to integrate with their API with these third-party apps so they can reverse engineer a SaaS product that is using all the features of your great SaaS product. It's just reverse engineering. That's all they're doing. They don't really want you to have any contact with any site outside of Facebook. They want you to live on Facebook like it's the Matrix so they can just take all the money from all the ads. Now, for those of us advertising on Facebook, that's kind of cool in some ways, but in other ways, you have to recognize don't always connect stuff together. Here's what I like to do, because this is not a one-fix-all solution, but it'll de-risk you running ads with third-party apps. Either don't use third-party apps at all, or do it in kind of an adjacent way where you have some product that links things together. What I like to use is Zapier, so I'll connect Zapier to lead pages, to Aweber, to Facebook, things like that. And that doesn't have any risk or issues. That's not considered the same level of threat as an enterprise third-party app. But that's just what I've seen. Obviously you can fuck around and find out. You FAFO this stuff. My best practices are usually to say don't use third-party apps if you can. That can help solve what John Loomer is talking about with the third-party apps and the shutdowns. So that's a great way of reducing your risk, is just don't use third-party apps. Now, if you're a giant business, I've worked with enterprise clients before. I've worked with cast members of CSI. The thing is, like, if you're really huge, you might need to talk to your rep at Facebook and figure out another solution or whitelist your business manager. But what I would say is that it's not a one size fits all solution for a Facebook ad account restricted, but it definitely can reduce the risk if you reduce using third party apps and use bridge apps instead. That's what my best tip would be to avoid an AI related shutdown specifically for linking with the API. If you want more tips or just want to avoid getting banned and realize that you're losing a lot more money from recovering from a ban than just preventing one, just schedule a discovery call. I have my blog, jetskishaman.com, a lot of free content on there. Go to jetskishaman.com/connect and schedule the free call with me. We'll go over to see if the issue you're facing with Facebook fits the services that I do. So I'm wrapping up my Facebook consulting services this year as I've moved on to a different business model where I'm working with brands, helping them scale, helping them monetize their experience, their content, and going in a different direction. But feel free to hit me up for a discovery call in the meantime while I'm still doing this. I hope you found this video helpful when troubleshooting how to fix a Facebook ad account restricted. Again, feel free to schedule the free discovery call. Find me on LinkedIn, on Substack, Google Trevor W. Goodchild. I'm pretty easy to find. Have a good one.